Hi Google, my name is Miroslav and these are the reasons why I love Google Maps. Thanks to Google Earth, Google Maps, I was able to create this Manhattan scale model project. This is Google Earth image, and through decades I made one building at a time, so I created the whole scale model of Manhattan. That was the only possible because of Google Maps. My way of payoff is through constant contribution so that we can help someone else. Thanks a lot for making maps the most useful app there is.